First, unscrew the screws on the back of the remote controller. Then remove the back cover of the remote controller. Locate the joystick that needs to be set to non-centering. Use tweezers to take out the spring at the position marked by the red circle. Next, take out the centering component at the position marked by the red circle. Install the damping sheet at the screw hole in the red circle and tighten the screw. Loosen the screws on the joystick base to facilitate the removal of the dust-proof silicone sleeve later. Next, loosen the screws on the base of the right joystick. Unscrew the screw on the top of the joystick. Remove the top part of the joystick and the components underneath. Take off the dust-proof silicone sleeve. Screw all the parts back onto the joystick. Tighten the screw at the bottom of the joystick. Unscrew the screw on the top of the right joystick. Remove the top part of the joystick and its accessories. Take off the dust-proof silicone cover. Screw the top part of the joystick and its accessories back on. Tighten the screw on the top of the joystick. Tighten the screws on the joystick base. Tighten the screws on the base of the right joystick. The joystick should have damping when toggled up and down, and it should not automatically return to the center when released. Open the device tool on the remote controller. Click on Advanced Options. Enter the password, 999, and click Confirm. Click on Hybrid Control and Throttle Dead Zone. Click Read Settings. After successful reading, select the non-centering joystick and save the settings. Settings saved successfully.